Decorate your kitchen with kitchen canister sets. For storage of frequently used items such as pasta, rice, or beans, a kitchen canister set is hard to beat. There is an amazing variety of sizes, shapes, colors and designs, and they make it easy to dress up your kitchen. They also make having access to frequently used items in your kitchen very convenient. Most often these containers are used to store things like pasta, rice, or beans and flour. Another food item you can store in them is nuts. The list of things that you can store in canisters is only limited by your imagination. A cookie jar is another popular use. Let's not forget the fact that some people like to store their family's petty cash in a cookie jar.